Instagrammers, and hey, what's up, bitches, to the people that already been in my channel. This week, we're gonna recreate this look using the Mercury Retrograde Huda Beauty palette, okay? This palette is a little old. It came out about 6 months ago, but I just got it, okay? I just got it. I mean, I had my reservations about the palette. I didn't know. I give it a lot of thought. I went around it a lot, but I finally got it, and I'm just saying I should have got it before. That's all I'm gonna say about that. But let me show you. This palette has all these pretty colors. You know, some purple, some pinks, magenta, this beautiful blue, and this, oh my god. I know these are the highlights of this palette. I know that that's the first thing I looked at. But let me tell you, there's more than that. The other colors complement the palette, and they're so cute. And you can create looks like this one. I hope you guys like and enjoy. And because you liked and enjoyed, comment, share, subscribe, and let your family know, let your friends know, so we can become family and friends all together. Yeah, just saying. Yeah, I really like it. The packaging is super pretty too. I mean, seriously. As all her other palettes, huge mirror, super cute and super useful. All I can say is I am glad I got it. It's cute, and I know I'm gonna use it for other stuff, and I know that a blue is just It gives me that Tiffany vibe, you know? Diamonds are girls. I do not sing. I'm not gonna start today. So yeah, stay tuned. And also I have an IG account. Go subscribe, go follow. I post a couple looks a week, like 3 or 4. And yeah, let me know what you think. Comment. It is makeup by _Namdis, somewhere right here. And go follow me so we can all, you know, be friends. Let's get started, right? I'm gonna start with a brow brush. This one doesn't really have a number, but it's just a slanted brow brush. And I'm gonna start with the color Vortex, okay? We're gonna get a good amount on the brush and then just create I'm gonna do like a dome. And now with the 230 pencil brush, this is Zoeva brush, get the color Haze, which is like a Tiffany blue-ish. And then we're just gonna blend. So let's talk about this palette for a little bit, okay? This palette came out like 6 months ago, and when it first came out, it was like the talk of the town, right? Per se. I was very tempted to get it since it came out, but for one thing or another, I didn't and I wouldn't. Now with the E40 blending brushes, this is the same my brush. I'm gonna get the color Momentum and just kind of set the top, just kind of get that extra eyeshadow out of the way. So every time I would go to Sephora or something, I would like swatch it and sample it and stuff. I was super intrigued about it, but I don't know, I just wouldn't get it. I just wouldn't get it. And I'm gonna be honest, one of the main reasons that I wouldn't get it, this is a Pro Concealer Flat Sephora brush, and I'm gonna get a white concealer. I'm using my P. Louise Boomer Zero concealer, okay? And then we're gonna create our cut crease. So the main reason that I wouldn't get it was because I thought I wasn't gonna be able to do much with the palette. And it wasn't fair at all, because like I really was just kind of sampling it each time, but not really, you know, I was looking at just the colors on top, like just how they looked. However, I kind of knew deep down that I was gonna end up getting it anyways, just because this blue, this haze color just kept calling to me. The same with the Nebula color, which is like this glittery purplish, ends up being kind of like a grayish thing going on. And I just thought they were so beautiful. And I actually didn't see them anywhere else, right? They're pretty much only on this palette. And I finally got it, right? And let me tell you something. Yes, those 2 colors are amazing. Like the blue is super pretty and beautiful, and that glittery purple, which I'm going to show it to you. This one right here is super pretty and super beautiful, but so are all of the other colors in the palette. And I will say when I'm wrong, because I was wrong about this, this palette is very much worth it. Like, I really like it. Okay, now I'm going to create, like if I was doing my eyeliner, and all the way down. This is a smoky shader brush, okay? So yeah, and I totally regret not getting it before. I'm serious. Now with the eye defining brush, it's like a slanted bushy brush. I'm gonna get the color Hot Mess and just kind of outline for where my eyeliner is gonna go. There you go. So yeah, I mean, everybody's different. Like I said, this is an older palette, so a lot of people already have it. I just got it. I jumped in this train too late, I know. But honestly, super cute. Now with a 231 MAC brush, we're gonna grab that Hot Mess color and just go over the outline of my eyeliner, okay? So yeah, I totally regret not getting it before because honestly, this is super cute. I actually have another look on my Instagram that I created with this palette as well. And we're gonna take it all the way down to our inner corner, okay? Now we're gonna grab our gel liner. Now with our 212 MAC brush, just kind of blend. And then just a little bit of the glue up under it. To finish this up with our fender bender, we're gonna grab Nebula that I was talking about and just apply it in the middle. With the other side, I'm gonna just tap a little bit of the color Mercury and just kind of give it a couple of taps just to make it look a little grayish. For my inner corner, I use the color Gold Glitch. Like I said, this is an older palette. I keep repeating it because this palette's been out for like 6 months, but and there's a lot of looks out there with it, and I just wanted to do something a little bit different. So on a different note, I've noticed that I've been doing a lot of purple looks. I don't know what to say on in my defense, but purple is my favorite color. So I'm gonna try to stay away from it for a while. However, this is Josie Maran Vibrancy concealer. However, I don't know, but a lot like all the palettes I've got lately just have a lot of purple, and I don't know how to ignore it. When it's they're so cute and beautiful and just purplish. Oh God. I'm using the matchstick for contouring in the color Mocha. The Fenty stick I just got, and I like it. Now I use the cream, the sticks, because I like to have the shadow already there for the contour, and then I can use a powder on top, and I don't have to use that much. That's what I like to do. Everybody to each other own. Now let's set all of this. And now for my contour, I use this one from the Anastasia Contour Kit with a slanted brush. And I just went over the same areas that I had gone over with the cream. So there you go. I am going to use a bronzer for this. I'm using Patrick Star MAC Bronzer. I'm going to use a new blush, okay? This is a Fenty Beauty blush. And it is really cute packaging. It's a cream blush. I think I already said that. And it's like a mauve. I know I'm saying that wrong. I saw an interview with somebody and they said it right, and I was like, I knew it. For the cream blushes, I just tap a little bit and then blend. And let's apply a gold highlighter. This is the Amrasi and Anastasia Beverly Hills. And just look at that. For my lipstick, I use the color Bound Nars, and just to give it like a very subtle lip. And we are going to apply a little bit of lip gloss. This is the Fenty Glow lip gloss. All right, so now eyelashes. Let me just say I've gotten a lot better at putting on lashes. This quarantine was for anything, it was for me to learn how to put on lashes. So this is our final look using the Mercury Retrograde Huda Beauty palette. Yeah, I know all I talked about was the palette, but let me tell you, I really like it. The glitters are just so cute, and then there's like chunky but not really glitters, and then there's this like fine just shimmers, and then this matte. So it works out, and you can recreate looks like this one. I think it's cute. I hope you think it's cute. As always, follow, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Thank you.